Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about Laravel 8 query builder. So here I'm going to show you. You can check from the Laravel 8 website also query builder. Okay, so here the some features also new. So you can check from here. Okay, so let me go inside of the Laravel 8. Okay, so you can check from the here. So now I'm going to show you. So let me show you. First of all, we have this control route, which is user list. I'm going to show you here. This is a user list. Okay, so here we will check about the how you can get the data, how you can insert the data, and how you can fetch the data. Okay, so now we have the particular database configurations. Hope so you understand how to configure your database. If you don't know, please watch my previous video. Also I have explained about the how you can migrate your database. So now we have Laravel block, this database right now I have, and inside we have this. I'm going to show you users table. So inside of the user table we have name, email, password. So we have the multiple email ID, we have the name, and so we will fetch first of all data. So how you can fetch all data in using query builder. Okay, so let me show you first of all. So suppose we have user. Okay, I have created one variable, so I will store everything inside of the variable. So if you want to use query builder, then you need to write this particular line also, because we need to use database. So I am going to write here as a db. Then we need to write here table. So also inside of the bracket we need to write the table name, but table name is users. Okay, so then we need to write here fetch all details from the database. So I written get. Let me execute that particular query user. Let me refresh the page. Here we have the 8 record inside of the word table. You can check, we have these record: name, email ID, password, remember token, created ad, updated ad. Okay, so now if you want to store a data, how you can store? So let me store the data first of all. So you need to write here db table, and here write here insert, and inside the bracket we need to write, suppose if you want to name, insert name, then you need to write name. So I'm going to put here real programmer. Okay, so sorry, real programmer, like this one. Again here we need to write then comma. You can type like this one. I'm going to type as an email, also real programmer @gmail.com. okay, we have this email ID, and also we need to put password. So we can put like this one, password. Okay, so now let me execute this program. Okay, I'm going to refresh the page. Yes, we get the value of the true. Okay, so let me also check the database. Look, we have the real programmer, name, email, ID, and password, something we have. Now ID is basically auto increment. Okay, so we can insert the data like this one. And also if you want to update a data, so how you can update? Okay, so let me write the update query first of all. Here we need to write update. So what you want to update? So I want to real programmers here. Okay, right here programmers passwords. Yes, I'm going to put here SSS only. Okay, so now we need to also check where condition, where you want to update. So I have written here where ID comma which ID you want to update. Let me update 13. Okay, so I'm going to update 13. So we have the users, email ID, and password, something like this one. Let me execute that. We get the 1. Let me again refresh the page, 0. this is already updated, so we're getting 0. Then check, we have the real programmers here, real programmers email id and passwords we have. So we can update using where condition. Okay, and if you want find something, any specific id like this one, let me find something, find. Okay, so you can put like this one here, 1 2 3 4 something. So we want to fetch a 13, let me put 13. Look, we get the all detail of the 13. Okay, so if you so you can fetch like this one. So we have the inserted, and if you want to delete, so how you can delete a specific value, if you want delete, put here delete 13. Let me execute this program. We're going to check 13 value is deleted or not. Yes, 13 is deleted successfully. Okay, now we have the same insert, update and delete. Okay, um, update and delete. And also if you want to like average count method, it means aggregation function, so you can also apply, you can apply the aggregation function. Suppose you want to aggregation maximum value, which is the id something. Let me fetch maximum id, which is 14. Look here, you want to minimum, you need to put here we have minimum id is 5. Okay, and also if you want to average, you need to write avg, you can get average calculation of the value. Okay, so we have seen find, update, delete and average. And also if you want to distribute something, so you need to write here ct distribute, you need to write here like name I want. Okay, because name are repeating multiple times and I want fetch name only. Let me execute this query. Look, we have the name, which is the unique name basically, so we get the detail of the unique name here. Okay, thank you for watching this video.